Hello students, Standard 12, Subject Economics, Chapter 5, Poverty, Session number 7. Explain the various measures to reduce the poverty in India. Already we have discussed about 7 to 8 measures in our previous session. Let's again go through that which are the measures that has been adopted by the government of India to reduce and tackle the poverty. So that includes to increase agricultural productivity, growth and development of small scale industries, development of unorganized sector, use of appropriate tax policy, rise in human capital investment, goods and services at a lower or a reasonable rate, employment programs, self-employment programs, wages employment program, Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana and Manrega scheme. Then housing scheme, social security system and Jan Dhan Yojana. Today in this particular session we will discuss about the measures which are star marked here and along with the subcategory under the title of employment programs. So let's begin. First of all, let's understand two terms. First one is self-employment. If a person does not get directly paid employment but receives training, organizes activities and earn employment and income through the sale of manufactured goods, he gets employment, which is called self-employment. Normally when the people is qualified, he is willing to do the work, he is able to do the work, but when he does not find any job, है ना, अगर कोई पर्सन क्वालिफाइड है, स्किल है उसके पास, वो काम करने के लिए रेडी है, फिर भी काम नहीं मिलता, then he may can go for a self-employment. That means with the available training, whatever he has received through his educational courses, he start developing some activities. He manages and organizes all the main and related activities, and through that whatever goods and services he has created or produced, he sells and provides in the market and start getting the income. In this way he gives and provides job to himself, and such an employment can be considered as a self employment कि जिसमें पर्सन खुद के लिए ही कुछ वर्क क्रिएट करता है. ओके, in self-employment income is not fixed. Yes, if you are running your sole proprietorship business, you can say that it is a self-employment business. So there is no fixation of income at the end of the month. Like in a salary paid job, you will get a fixed income at the end of the month, but when you run your own enterprise, there is no assurance that you will get a fixed income. The income can get increase with every passage of time, or it may reduce too. Now another word is wage employment. That means if a person gets a job and is paid for it in money or in real form, he is said to be getting wages employment. Now wages employment का मतलब होता है कि you got one job offered by some employers or a organization. They will get some fixed work from you on a regular basis. There will be fixed schedule of the timing or a work duration for which you have to work. And in that case, at the end of the particular fixed time, either a week or a fortnight or a month, at least after a month, you will be paid certain fixed predetermined or pre-decided amount. And that can be considered as a wages employment. कि जब आपके पास कोई जॉब है, आप उसमें कोई काम कर रहे हो, उस काम का टाइम फिक्स होगा, उस काम का नेचर ऑफ वर्क विल बी फिक्स्ड, है ना, एंड एट द एंड ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम you will be paid agreed amount between you and your employer. In wages employment, a fixed amount is paid either daily, weekly, monthly, or at the end of the year as per the agreement. Now let's begin the main topic, that is employment programs. Employment generation and poverty reduction are interrelated. That why we are facing the poverty, because the people are not having enough income to satisfy their basic requirement of food, clothing, shelter, health, education, basic housing arrangements. And why they are not able to satisfy those requirements? Because they don't have enough money. So money can be earned by getting a good job, good employment. So employment generation, if you create a more job, more employment opportunities in the economy, definitely the problem of poverty can be solved. So both are interrelated. Some important employment programs for the poverty reduction are as under: Integrated Rural Development Program, that is a IRDP, or Surana Jayanti Gram Swarojgar Yojana. During the sixth five-year plan, various agencies started different programs for the rural poor in order to provide the job opportunity to the rural poor, especially when the agriculture season gets over. Varieties of program were started at a different level, at a state level, central level, or at a district level by the different authorities. All these programs were merged in IRDP on 2nd October 1980. Whatever program they have started for the development of the rural poor especially, they finally submerged under the one title, and that was IRDP, that is an Integrated Rural Development Program. Ki the main purpose of all the program will be to develop the rural economy. The main objective of the IRDP is to encourage the poor families for the self-employment so that they can get more income to rise above the poverty line. The main purpose of this program was to make the people self-employed, to solve the problem of unemployment. Creation of self-employment opportunity is the best option. कि आपको जॉब नहीं मिल रहा है तो you start developing some work by yourself, which is there for which the opportunity is available in the market. Slowly, gradually, your efforts will pay and you will start getting a good income. तो अगर पॉवर्टी और अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट के प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करना है, so self employment is the best option. And here the program was launched with the same intention. So the people, those who are living below poverty line, not having enough income, can get better income resource. The program focused on few special groups, which includes the small and marginal farmers, agricultural laborers, and rural artisans, who were specially facing the major issue in the rural economy. Now, how the program worked? This was IRDP, is known as the anti-poverty program, as this program was launched to remove the poverty issue among the rural class, and that's why it is considered as an anti-poverty program. Self-employment programs includes various programs, and that is first IRDP, Integrated Rural Development Program, TRISEM, training of rural youth and for self-employment, DWCRA, that is the development of women and child in rural areas, MWS, that is a Million Wells Scheme, etc., supplying improved toolkit to rural artisans, and GWS, that is the Ganga Welfare Scheme. So these were the major 6 programs that was launched under the title of Integrated Rural Development Program to help the small farmers, marginal farmer, or a cottage industries owners, or women section. At the same time, the artisans who are working in a rural area under the different field. On 1st April 1999, IRDP and other programs integrated with it were merged and named as the Suvarna Jayanti Gram Swarojgar Yojana. And all the six program what just we have seen, on a 1st April 1999, those program was clubbed together, उन सभी को साथ में जोड़ दिया गया और एक न्यू नेम के साथ इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया एंड दैट वाज सुवर्ण जयंती ग्राम स्वरोजगार योजना, in which Swarojgar means self-employment, Gram means rural area. So to develop the self-employment in the rural area, the scheme was launched. Under these, in rural area, development of small trade, infrastructure facility to self-help groups, technological loans, and facility of market for the final goods to the rural poor were provided. Now the second scheme is wage employment scheme. This program has a multiple objective. Majority of the program that has been launched under the employment programs were multi-purpose. There was not any single oriented action कि कोई एक ही प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए नहीं, क्योंकि कोई भी मेजर इश्यूज का कोई एक रीज़न नहीं हो सकता. दैट्स वाई ऑल द प्रोग्राम वर मल्टी ऑब्जेक्टिव. In wages employment scheme, focus was on those poor who do not have any other source of income other than physical labor. So especially for the people, those who are unskilled और साथ में उनके पास फिजिकल एक्टिविटी करने के अलावा कोई ऑप्शंस नहीं होता बिकॉज ऑफ इलिटरेसी और अनअवेयरनेस, उनके लिए स्पेशल फोकस किया गया. This scheme provide employment in slack season, that means when there is no monsoon, and also provide employment during the flood, drought, scarcity and other natural calamities. When there is a natural disaster and when there is a slack season means when there is no work on the agricultural field, जब खेतों में काम नहीं है and farmers and other farm related laborers are jobless during that time, or at the time of natural calamities, in order to help the poor family, poor people, through wage employment scheme, government provides job options to the rural poor. Wages employment scheme includes Jawahar Rozgar Yojana, Employment Assistance Scheme, and under these schemes, infrastructure services developed in the rural area. So whenever there is a drought or flood, during that time when the farmers are not having a work in the farm, so the government gets an infrastructural work from them. Like take example, during a drought time, these people will be employed on a work to construct for the check dams, कि check dam के काम के लिए सड़कें बनवा रहे हैं, ट्री प्लांटेशन ऑन द रोड साइड्स, ऐसे कोई भी काम गवर्नमेंट क्रिएट करती है इन रूरल एरियाज और इन लोगों को काम दिलवाते हैं एंड दे आर पेड विथ अ सैलरी एंड वेजेस. It tries that the laborers should get a proper salary. Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana, in textbook you may find a ROJGAR, no issue, you can write both the spelling. In the decade of 1990s, employment generation in organized sector was stagnant and in public sector negative growth rate was noticed. That the people were not getting enough job, the public government industries were going down, people were losing their jobs, and because of major section of the people started facing the problem of unemployment. On the other hand, unemployment rate was rising faster, people were losing job because of a depression time. On this situation, Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana was started for self-employment with the objective of starting ventures to provide employment to the educated unemployed. And during that time, the government introduced this scheme, Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana, specially to provide and create the attitude for self-development amongst the educated unemployed people. कि instead of finding a job कि पढ़े लिखे लोगों में innovative ideas develop हो उनके अंदर की एंटरप्रेन्योरशियल स्किल जो है वो बाहर निकले, उसके लिए गवर्नमेंट ने ये प्रोग्राम लॉन्च किया और एजुकेटेड लोगों को सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट के लिए मोटिवेट किया। देन द नेशनल रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट गारंटी एक्ट, दैट इज अ NREGA. In the year 2005, National Employment Guarantee Act was passed and accepted. The objective of creating assets through the public construction activities and to provide employment to one person from per family for at least minimum 100 days in a rural and urban poor as a lower middle class family. The main objective of the National Rural Employment Guarantee Act was to give an assurance to the rural and urban poor that he will get minimum 100 days work. कि गांव में और शहर में रहने वाले उस गरीब के लिए ये स्कीम थी जिनको जॉब का गारंटी दिया जाता था कि एटलीस्ट फ्रॉम 365 डे यू विल गेट 100 days जॉब. In that, a job will be offered to one person from each family. हर परिवार से एक पर्सन को जॉब गवर्नमेंट ऑफर करेगी और उनके पास पब्लिक कंस्ट्रक्शन एक्टिविटीज करवाएगी एज पर द नीड, है ना. दे विल कंस्ट्रक्ट द रोड, डैम, आई सेड, द पब्लिक डिपार्टमेंट ऑफिसेस, वैसी जगह पर उनसे काम करवाया जाएगा. 7 to 8 hours के वर्किंग डे हो गए, है ना. And at least around more than 100 to 150 rupees will be paid as a wages. They should to register their names, as we have already learned this, है ना, in a standard 10 also, कि उसमें जो भी ये लोग, है ना, जिनको ये नेशनल रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट गारंटी एक्ट के थ्रू ज्वाइन किया गया होता है, उनको एक कार्ड दिया जाता है when they register their name, and as soon as the registration gets, है ना, the person is eligible to get the employment and the wages also. Due to some reason, if the government is failed to provide the job, अगर कोई रीज़न की वजह से गवर्नमेंट उनको रजिस्ट्रेशन के बाद जॉब नहीं प्रोवाइड कर पाती, then too they will be paid the minimum wages. In 2009, the scheme was reformed with the new name, and the new name was Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. तो वो एनरेगा से मनरेगा हो गया. नाउ 5.9, that is a social security scheme for workers of unorganized sectors, those who are highly dependent on a money lenders, है ना, or a vyaj pedi to get the financial help. On 9th May 2015, Atal Pension Scheme was started, in which monthly pension is paid to the people above the 60 years. Social security for the senior citizens, because after reaching to the age of, है ना, above 55 or 60, nowadays in a modern society you may find that the children are, है ना, not taking care of their parents, and in that, or there may be nobody who can take care of the old age people. So the scheme was started with the name Atal Pension Scheme, in which people will be paid some stipend on a monthly basis whose age are above 60 years. Under these, the Prime Minister's Security Scheme for the people in the age group of 18 to 70 years, accidental insurance of 2 lakh was opened with the minimum premium of just rupees 12. With the same thing, under the same title, another program, Prime Minister's Security Scheme, was launched in order to give the accident insurance to the people from 18 years to 70 years. और वो भी just 12 rupees के simple premium पर. Another scheme with the name Jeevan Jyoti scheme was started with a 2 lakh life insurance policy at a 330 yearly premium, कि जिसमें सिर्फ आपको 330 रुपीज़ का ईयरली प्रीमियम भरना है, एंड द गवर्नमेंट विल गिव यू 2 lakh लाइफ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी. सो दिस ऑल स्कीम वाज स्टार्टेड in order to provide maximum benefit to the poor class, है ना, low income earners or people living in a below poverty line. To safeguard the farmer also, especially from the crop failure, the Prime Minister Fasal Bima Yojana was started. So the crop of the farmer है ना which is standing in the field can get protected. और अगर कोई नेचुरल रीजन की वजह से वो क्रॉप अगर डिस्ट्रॉय और डैमेज होता है देन द फार्मर विल गेट अ reimbursement from the government. Now 5.10, that is a Jan Dhan Yojana. Through the financial inclusion to hit the root of poverty, an ambitious scheme, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana was introduced. To remove the poverty है ना from its root, कि गरीबी को उसके जड़ों से मिटाने के लिए एक फाइनेंशियल इंकल्जन वाला एक मेजर प्रोग्राम लॉन्च हुआ एंड दैट वाज प्रधानमंत्री जन धन योजना. The scheme was began on the 28th of August 2014. Please remember these numerical data which can be asked in exam as objective type questions. On the very first day of the scheme, 1.5 crore bank accounts were open. Jan Dhan Yojana was actually a scheme in order to make a habit of banking among the people, and especially to motivate and encourage the people to have a bank account. So whenever government wants to give any help or whenever they do want to make a payment, they should go through the banking transaction to make the economy stronger. और पहले ही दिन 1.5 करोड़ बैंक अकाउंट ओपन किए गए विच वॉज लाइक अ रिकॉर्ड. Within 8 January, the number increased to 12.58 crore accounts, है ना, and from which the investment of somewhat around 10,590 crore was generated. And through this opening of various bank account under the scheme of Jan Dhan Yojana, government generated 10,590 crore rupees, which they started utilizing for the welfare of the poor people. What was the importance of Jan Dhan Yojana especially? Increasing the banking facility per capita, कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग बैंकिंग ट्रांजेक्शन्स और बैंकिंग एटमॉस्फेयर से ज्वाइन हो. रिडक्शन इन द रीजनल इनइक्वालिटीज. The subsidy given to the poor family by the government should directly go to their bank account. The main purpose to launch the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana was whenever government wants to give any financial help to the poor people, through this Jan Dhan Yojana, whatever bank account the poor families have opened, the money will be submitted directly to their account. कि ये जनधन योजना के थ्रू जो भी अकाउंट्स ओपन हुए, एक एग्जाम्पल ड्यूरिंग द कोविड टाइम गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइडेड फाइनेंशियल हेल्प टू द पुअर फैमिलीज. सो इन दैट केसेस द मनी डायरेक्टली विल गेट क्रेडिटेड इनटू द पर्सन अकाउंट एंड द पीपल हु डू द करप्शन व्हेन द फिजिकल मनी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन वर्क इज गिवन, दोज करप्शन कैन बी एलिमिनेटेड. कि बीच में लोग जब पैसे खा जाते हैं, जब फाइनेंशियल फिजिकल फाइनेंस डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने की बात आती है तो वो सब ना हो पाए और गरीब को डायरेक्टली उस स्कीम का पर्टिकुलर स्कीम का और प्रोग्राम का बेनिफिट मिले, उसके लिए भी ये मेन इंपॉर्टेंट था. द फीचर्स ऑफ जन धन योजना वॉज द बैंक अकाउंट इज ओपन विद द जीरो बैलेंस. द बेस्ट थिंग, यू जस्ट हैव टू प्रोवाइड योर बेसिक डॉक्यूमेंटेशन एंड विद इन अ फ्यू स्पैन ऑफ टाइम the account will get opened. After the 5 months of opening an account, a bank overdraft of rupees 5,000 is available. You have to start account with the zero balance. आपका अकाउंट जीरो बैलेंस पे खुल जाएगा और आपका अकाउंट ओपन हो जाने के 5 मंथ्स के बाद बैंक आपको ओवरड्राफ्ट फैसिलिटी देने लगेगी. मतलब आपके अकाउंट में पैसे नहीं है, फिर भी आप 5,000 तक का मनी पर्टिकुलर टाइम के लिए विड्रॉ कर सकते हो, जो एक रिटर्न पॉलिसी के थ्रू आपको बैंक को वापस आराम से लौटाना होगा. अ स्कीम फॉर ओवरऑल फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन, कि ये जो स्कीम थी उसके पीछे के बहुत सारे फाइनेंशियल रिलेटेड एस्पेक्ट्स जुड़े हुए थे, जिसका बेनिफिट लोगों को आज मिला है और आने वाले समय में भी गवर्नमेंट जब भी नई स्कीम लॉन्च करेगी जिसमें फाइनेंशियल बेनिफिट पूरे क्लास को देने की बात होगी, तो वो डायरेक्टली उन तक पहुंच पाएगा. इन हिट्स डायरेक्टली ऑन अ पॉवर्टी बाय प्रोवाइडिंग द माइक्रो फाइनेंस एंड बैंकिंग फैसिलिटी. और इसके थ्रू धीरे धीरे लोगों में सेविंग की हैबिट डेवलप होगी, माइक्रो फाइनेंस मिल पाएगा उनको जब भी छोटी लोन की ज़रूरत होगी, जिसके लिए वो है ना, जिसके थ्रू वो सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट वर्क क्रिएट कर पाए. तो वो सभी के थ्रू पुअर पर्सन अपनी फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व कर पाए. ये पर्पस था प्रधानमंत्री जनधन योजना का. सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट द वेरियस मेजर्स to remove the poverty from the Indian economy, and this was about your chapter 5 poverty. I hope you might have enjoyed the session. Keep on revising and keep on learning, students. Stay safe, stay blessed.